What's going on, guys? It is TCGPlayer Cyber Weekend with 10% cash back on all purchases, all promos, all card, like anything you buy on TCGPlayer right now is 10% cash back store credit. This sounds great. Sounds like a great time to jump right on TCGPlayer and buy. If you're a collector, that's this is what you do. You go and you buy things and you redeem your points back and you go buy more free stuff, right? Here's the problem I'm having with this whole TCGPlayer Cyber Weekend. I just got home from work. I work a regular day job. I'm in construction, so I work from 7 to 3:30. Right now I'm working about an hour and a half from my house with traffic, so I got home about 5:30. I went on TCGPlayer and I said, all right, it's time to spend some money, time to take advantage of this sale. And usually when I'm buying from TCGPlayer, I'm just kind of buying cards to flip right onto eBay. Here's the issue. All these cards are up like 10% at least from yesterday. A lot of these cards are just running up in price. And when you go to cross reference prices onto eBay, you're not seeing the same price differences on eBay. Now, I don't know if eBay prices are going to adjust to TCGPlayer prices, or if this artificial TCGPlayer sale bubble is going to readjust back to the eBay prices. But I'm probably not going to spend any money on this sale this weekend. Honestly, I went to go look at. I was looking for some singles. I was just looking through some singles. I sorted basically anything over 25 cents, cards, near mint, best selling. That's how I filtered. And I just started from the top and I was just scrolling through. Naturally, you're going to see the best selling cards, the most popular cards all at the top of the list. All these cards are just dozens of sales today, dozens of sales today, dozens of sales today. It's actually proving to be kind of hard. It's harder than usual for me to just go onto TCGPlayer, buy some cards, and flip them for a few bucks right onto eBay. The 10% sounds nice, but if I buy these cards, I get my 10% back. I go to flip to eBay and I'm making my money back. So I'm just kind of making 10%. So I'm just kind of covering my fees on eBay. I'm probably not going to buy too many cards. I was very excited. I was going to spend, a couple $100 just on some stuff. And I might still buy some stuff just because I am a degenerate and a child at heart. But as far as this weekend, like the lucrativeness of being able to buy some stuff, flip for profit onto eBay, and collect that 10%, I don't know if that's really going to be all too lucrative, honestly, because coming into this TCGPlayer sale, has just been a crazy hype, a crazy bubble, whatever you want to call it. It doesn't really matter. Cards were already going up in price the past couple weeks. So to see, I was just looking at the Squirtle specifically, the Squirtle illustration rare, the one that goes with the whatever you guys with the Pidgeys. There must be 30, 40, 50 sales of that card today, from like 35 to $50. I can't go buy that card for $50 right now for 10% back. $45. It's still quite a few dollars more than I could have bought it for just yesterday. So I'm probably not going to take any chances. The 10% is nice, but the 10% is nice when Pokemon isn't as hot as it is right now, in my opinion, because all the money that's been waiting on the sidelines, people are just Fusion Strike's up like $50, $40 today. And it was like 225, 230 yesterday. It was just 275. So just a quick short video for you guys tonight. Figured the sale was coming up. I would just be cautious. Don't go spend a ton of money just for the sake of spending a ton of money because you're getting 10% cash back. Some of these cards have run up in price just since yesterday. So you might not be getting the deal that you think you're getting. And I'm not saying don't shop. If you want to shop, shop. But as far as arbitrage, I don't know if this weekend is going to be as lucrative, like I said, as I thought. So just a quick video for you guys tonight. If you are buying, let me know down in the comments what you bought, what you picked up. If I wind up buying anything, I'll show you guys when it comes in, I guess. So, that's just my video for tonight. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out.